Garmin watches disconnecting from phones is a common issue, primarily due to Bluetooth Low Energy communication problems. Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, is used for syncing data like GPS tracks, heart rate, and notifications to conserve battery life. Disconnections often arise from signal interference from microwaves or Wi Fi, low battery on either device, outdated software, or incorrect phone permissions. Fragmentation within the Android ecosystem also contributes, with Android users reporting more issues than iOS users. Garmin watches pair with phones through the Garmin Connect app, using Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE technology for efficient, low-power communication. This connection works over short ranges, typically up to 30 feet, requiring the devices to be in close proximity for reliable syncing. Signal interference from other Bluetooth devices or Wi-Fi networks can disrupt this connection, causing unexpected disconnections. Walls and other physical obstructions can weaken the Bluetooth signal, so keeping devices in direct line of sight helps maintain the connection. Compatibility issues can arise with mismatched Bluetooth versions. Garmin devices require BLE 4.0 or higher, so older phones may experience connection problems. Outdated firmware on your Garmin watch or an outdated version of the Garmin Connect app can lead to disconnections. Firmware updates often include improvements to Bluetooth connectivity and power management. Regularly check for updates in the Garmin Connect app and through Garmin Express on your computer. Keeping your phone's operating system updated is also crucial. Incorrect phone permissions can prevent the Garmin Connect app from maintaining a stable Bluetooth connection. The app requires several key permissions to function properly. First, ensure the app has location permission, which allows GPS data syncing between your watch and phone. Second, Bluetooth permission is essential for the wireless connection that transmits data like heart rate and activity tracks. Third, background app refresh allows the app to continue syncing data even when you're not actively using your phone. On Android devices, check your battery optimization settings. If the Garmin Connect app is being restricted from running in the background, it can cause disconnections. A common cause of these permission issues is when your phone's operating system receives an update that revokes app permissions by default. Always check permissions after installing OS updates. The first troubleshooting step is to restart both your Garmin watch and your phone. This simple action can clear temporary software glitches that might be causing the disconnection. Power off your watch by holding the power button, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Similarly, restart your phone completely. Next, clear the cache of the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Cache data can sometimes become corrupted and interfere with Bluetooth connections. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Garmin Connect, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iOS, delete and reinstall the app to achieve a similar effect. Unpair and then repair your watch from your phone's Bluetooth settings. This resets the connection from scratch. On your phone, go to Bluetooth Settings, find your Garmin watch in the Paired Devices list, and select Forget or Unpair. Then, open Garmin Connect and follow the pairing prompts to reconnect. Disable and then re-enable Bluetooth on your phone. This can refresh the Bluetooth stack and resolve minor connectivity issues. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Make sure your watch is not connected to multiple devices at the same time. Garmin watches can only maintain a stable connection with one phone. If it's paired with another device, unpair it from those devices first to avoid conflicts. These basic troubleshooting steps often resolve temporary glitches. If the problem persists after trying these fixes, you may need to explore more advanced solutions. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions involve resetting your Garmin watch to factory settings. However, this process will erase all data on your watch, so the first crucial step is to back up your important information. Once your data is safely backed up, proceed with resetting your Garmin watch. Access the Settings menu on your watch, navigate to System, then select Factory Reset. Confirm the reset when prompted. This will restore the watch to its original state, clearing any corrupted settings that may be causing connectivity issues. Next, address potential issues in the Garmin Connect app by uninstalling it from your smartphone. Go to your phone's settings, find Apps or Applications, locate Garmin Connect, and select Uninstall. This removes the app and all its data, which may have become corrupted over time. After uninstalling, reinstall the Garmin Connect app from your phone's App Store, either Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Search for Garmin Connect, download the latest version, and install it. This provides a clean, fresh installation without any previous corruption. After completing these steps, pair your watch with the freshly installed app and restore your backed up data. Resetting and reinstalling often resolves deep-seated connectivity issues by eliminating corrupted settings and data. If problems persist, this is typically the last resort before contacting Garmin customer support for further assistance. During the 2025 Boston Marathon, a runner reported their Forerunner 265 disconnecting mid-race due to their iPhone switching Bluetooth during music streaming. The solution was enabling developer mode in the Garmin Connect app to force reconnection. In an urban environment like New York City, a Phoenix 7 owner experienced disconnections due to Wi-Fi congestion. Updating the watch's firmware to version 14.20 resolved the issue for most attempts, though a full reset was sometimes needed. On a group hike, Instinct 2 users experienced disconnections when their phones entered airplane mode. The fix involved pre-syncing offline maps before the hike to reduce Bluetooth dependency. Many users have also found success by clearing the app's cache and data. Always check Garmin's forums and Reddit for community-driven solutions specific to your watch model. Looking ahead, Garmin is evolving beyond traditional Bluetooth connectivity. The company is integrating cellular options into premium watches, creating hybrid connectivity that reduces dependence on phone tethering. This allows watches to maintain connections even when Bluetooth signals are weak or unavailable. Future updates to the Garmin Connect app will incorporate AI-driven diagnostics. Using machine learning algorithms, the app will analyze disconnection patterns in real time, identifying common triggers like signal interference or software conflicts. This proactive approach will suggest remedies before problems escalate, such as recommending firmware updates or adjusting phone settings. By anticipating connectivity issues through pattern recognition, this AI system will create a more seamless user experience. Instead of reactive troubleshooting, users will receive predictive notifications and automated fixes, making Garmin watches more reliable and user-friendly in the future.